welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to conquer, well, I guess I did this over the course of 2 days, but I just wanted to conquer all of the things in my house that had really been bothering me. This little hallway is like my dirty little secret. It's kind of just where we dump everything, clearly. When I do my little laundry basket trick, it's only a trick that works if you actually put the stuff away from the laundry basket. But I needed my laundry basket, so I dumped it out on that ottoman. At the same time, we were reorganizing, so all the bags were out of the closet. Yeah, and it was just a whole big mess. So in today's video, I take care of this. I reorganize a hall closet, and I also clean my fridge and my freezer. So stay tuned.
Me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So I'm just cleaning my fridge here with a little bit of hot soapy water and some bleach with a capful or two added in. My fridge wasn't overall too bad on the top shelves, but the bottom shelf there you can see was pretty bad. Caught in between the glass and the plastic component of that shelf on bottom was a bunch of raw egg. It was super nasty. Like, as soon as I was deconstructing it, which was conveniently out of view, great. I'm still learning how to do this cleaning video thing. But a bunch of raw eggs started dripping onto the floor, and it was just nasty. So, sorry I did not get that, but, you know, at least it got cleaned.
As you fade away.
As you fade. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever.
Does anybody else feel the frustration of trying to fill a tall pot or wash your fridge drawers in a sink that is not very deep and does not have a detachable head on there. Oh my goodness. It was the most frustrating thing. I'm glad my face wasn't on camera because I was just so done. But you know, I was still able to get it clean. I had to get a little creative there and do a lot of different angles, but it worked.
And I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain.
So it's the next morning, and I'm gonna do my fridge door and my freezer. And, you know, I don't have a ton of condiments. Really good loop there, by the way, if you noticed that little cut that I made. But I'm just using my Autoban cleaner that has been filled with the correct amount of water, and I just have it in a Better Homes and Gardens bottle. You know, nothing fancy, but it does have disinfecting stuff and deodorizing stuff. So Autoban is a really excellent choice for cleaners if you're ever in the market looking for something. But I don't have too much food in my fridge, and I didn't have too much to get rid of either. Doing the fridge cleaning, I did get rid of a little bit, but you know, it's good to not have a super packed full fridge because the air can circulate better and you also know what you have. So, yeah. That blue stain on my freezer was some kind of icy that melted or something. Or it wasn't ice cream, it was kind of like a slushie. So that's what that was, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a toothbrush here just to get in the stuff. I did notice that whole bottom panel in my freezer can be pulled out, so next time I clean my freezer, I am gonna get a screwdriver and I'm gonna pull that out because I did see that it needed cleaned underneath. And that could be contributing to nasty freezer smells. What is it about freezers? They smell bad. Like my deep freezer doesn't smell bad because, you know, it's brand new and I know exactly what I've put in it and I know that nothing's leaked, but used freezers just have the worst smell. Does anyone else feel that way? I could probably put some open baking soda in it and help, but I'd rather just go straight to the source of the problem than try to absorb it, you know? Moving on, I was doing some decluttering. Typically with toys, I will let my children decide what they want to get rid of. But in this instance, the trains had been given to us. You know, he didn't choose them, and they were becoming major choking hazards for the baby. You know, as my baby has started to become more mobile, these toys are just scary to me because little black pieces will break off of them, or little metal pieces even, because they're kind of vintage old toys, and they just blend right in with the carpet. So they had to go for the baby. But my older son still has plenty of trains, so I think he will be okay. I don't even think he'll notice. He never even plays with those toys. I did have my husband help me with this closet. I had the hardest time with this closet. It was just not wanting to sort itself in my head for me. Like, you know, sometimes you know exactly what you want to do in a space and how you want to organize it. This closet is just such a catch-all that I'm just like, I don't know what I want to do. So we did declutter a few things over the course of this week. I'm trying to get my home to a place where it's easy to maintain. And along with decluttering, we moved some things that had been in the closet to be stored in my husband's car for the summer, like our tent and our canopy. It just makes more sense to put it in the car anyways where we're going to use it, rather than, you know, just storing it in a closet where it's hard to reach. But yeah, if anybody has any ideas for this closet, you know, obviously our linens are in there. I have my yarn for crafting in there. Later on, I put all my bags in the top shelf that my husband is currently clearing. Yeah, he had a little bit of a rough time getting that canopy out of there, and his Baby Yoda shirt. But yeah, I don't know. I was thinking we could put cleaning stuff in there, or, you know, I put some nail stuff in one of the shelves that wasn't caught on video. I like doing my nails, if you've seen my YouTube shorts. So if you have any ideas for this closet, let me know. I don't know if I can go all crazy with acrylic organizers, but that would be awesome. The video is winding down now, so I will be showing an after of this closet. It's not great, so I'm sorry I don't have all the satisfying organizing skills, but I will get there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that it gave you some motivation, helped you feel seen in your unorganized houses as well. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day and have some happy cleaning.